We were very grateful that the Minister for Trade for Australia, the Honourable Don Farrell, had invited us over. Myself, our Permanent Secretary, as well as the Director for External Trade, Ms. Deepika Prasad, to go over and meet with them. The Australian Federal Government annually has its meetings with all the states of Australia and their ministers of trade. So in this instance, it's the first time that they've invited another country to come over and sit in with them. So what they wanted to do was to ask us, how Fiji wanted to work with them as far as trade is concerned. Where there were challenges, where there were issues, where there were opportunities. So those were the things that I spoke about when I spoke at the opening of the trade ministers meeting in Australia, in Melbourne. So I shared with them all the opportunities that Fiji presents as far as investment is concerned. And at the end of it, we had a very positive response from all of the states, sharing that they were very eager to explore further for the future as far as investments in all the areas that I've mentioned. Some stronger in some sectors, some in others. So we're very thankful that the Australian federal government, as well as some of the states, had opened the doors for us to start these negotiations and these conversations. There's a long pipeline of investments that are already lined up, and we're very thankful that a lot of our former citizens have found it exciting enough for them to come back, and they've found the confidence to come back and invest in Fiji. And we're very thankful that this is what they're thinking of doing. Just yesterday, I met with the Fiji New Zealand Business Council, and those were the sentiments that I heard. And there were some very solid investments that are already online, and we should see them come online maybe next year and onwards. So we're very thankful to all our former citizens and who have come back to Fiji to come and invest. Fiji is maybe the message to the world is Fiji is safe, and Fiji is open for business, and we have our doors are wide open for them to come and invest in Fiji.